and it is a compliment also. Comment is I feel feedback is a importance to compliment, right? Then no, it is not comment. I never give anyone comment. I never give anyone comment. Right now we are talking each other within half an hour, right? Then do you, how you feel like I will give you comment? I never that kind of person, because I feel while talking your mode of speaking part little bit I feel you need take water, right? Because you spoke long time and I only asked you question, but you explain nicely, expandly, very well. And that's why I thought like you need water. Yeah, I'm not comment you. It is really I feel. That's why I told you. Yeah. Okay, then you are welcome. But I feel what is vocabulary? Vocabulary means noun, adjective, adverb. It is called vocabulary. If I tell you you are a good speaker, good is a adjective. If I tell you Ravi Singh is an intelligent boy, intelligent is a adjective. If I tell you speaking comes by speaking, right? Speaking is a means gerund. This kind of, because if I means noun, adjective, adverb, that is called vocabulary. But we always afraid or scared about vocabulary. What is vocabulary? Right? Whatever we are seeing surround us, that is all are noun, right? But if you see adverb, adjective, or noun, all are vocabulary. If anyone know about 830 vocabulary, it is enough to convey their message, and it enough to means interact with anyone, right? But we go through step by step, orderly, logically, and gradually. No one can get overnight, right? Because it is a language is a learnable skill. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. Even though you see well educated people, they cannot speak single sentence in front of anyone. They have a good degree on their hand, but illiterate people, they can speak fluent English, they can speak like a native speaker, right? That's why language never take means any kind of degree, percentage, score, or any medium, right? Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. Language is just like a driving and swimming. If you read 10,000 book, or if you want to driving, then you cannot drive, right? You, if you want to learn how to driving, you have to sit on the driver seat. If you want to learn how to swimming, then you have to jump into water, right? And that is a basic thing. Language is just like a swimming and driving. It is required determination, dedication, devotion, consistency, self motivation, and habit. Those kind of ingredient required to enhance any language, right? But we always create a different atmosphere around us. We have a language phobia inside, right? Like a do and die, right? If you go to stage, on the stage, or if you pick any microphone and anyone tell you you deliver your speech in front of 10 people, then we shivering and terrible to speak any single sentence. We have a good degree, but we cannot do because of lack of practicing, right? It is a learnable skill. It is a skill, nothing anything. No one has a inborn quality, right? If anyone practice, and language depends only practice. That's why if you anyone does perfect practice, they become a perfect. That is a simple thing, but we have to motivate ourselves. Motivation also required. We always think today I start, and we always we are always result oriented because we never focus input, we always focus output, right? That's why we are struggling to speak better English, and we always think when I will speak good English, right? That kind of scenario we have to change. And we think ourselves language always takes time. No one can get overnight. That kind of we have to motivate ourselves because we have a different mindset, right? Some are slow learner, some are advanced learner, some are quick learner. They can learn within short period, but some people they take 4 5 years to make sentences and that kind of, right? But some people within 6 months they can speak good English. And speaking comes by speaking. We have to train our mind to tongue. It is a mind to tongue means speaking, mind to ear means listening, and mind to hand means writing. And language has four skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. If anyone can do regularly simultaneously, definitely they become a fluent speaker within short period. They can convey their message with whom they want to interact, right? But language is a language, and communication is an art. If you have deep knowledge about any topic, then you go to stage and you can deliver your speech and you can influence the crowd. You can influence the crowd also, and you can retain them for long time. They're ready to listen your speech 1 hour, right? And that kind of communication is an art. That is a learnable skill also. But language is a language, survival language. Anyone can they speak, anyone can they learn. It is a language, doesn't require any degree, percentage, or any kind of medium. That is a bitter truth, right? That's
Right.
why people here. That's why we people here to depend in this kind of platform, because we cannot tell anyone, because you know your mission, vision, and ambition and destination where you want to reach after 5 years, right? If you get promotion, then you have to interact with high authority people, high qualified people, right? That's why right now you want to update yourself, you want to better communicator in English language, right? Then you want to increase your personality, right? Because if you don't practice regularly, how can you polish your skill? And knowledge is a just raw material, and if we don't practice regularly, then we cannot get polish our knowledge, right? That is called skill. That's why we have to work daily, regularly, then we become a good speaker, no doubt. Yeah,
Right.
it was nice conversation with you, and you explained so nicely. I'm thankful, and it is my pleasure, privilege, and proud to interact with you. I never discussed in this kind of matter so long time, because recently I installed this platform. I'm a language learner, but maximum people they escape and they don't want to discuss. They only like a survival language. Where are you from? What do you do? That's why first of all I started asking that kind of question, right? That is also required. I'm not telling that is not a required, but that is also required. But we have to discuss so many topic or something, then that is a better. You are a good explainer. You explain, you describe so nicely. Yeah.
First thing is that thank you for your compliment, and personally I believe that I'm not deserving whatever the compliment you are saying. Personally, I know what exactly I am and what's my weakness and what's my strong zone is. So thank you for your compliment, because it shows itself that you are so kind of that kind of people, so kind personality you have, so that you are issuing the compliments like that.
No,
Second thing is that
deserve. You deserve, but you never believe yourself. Listen to me. Yeah, tell me.
No, actually, whatever I said to you, that is completely right. And it might be possible that you are so hot at kind of people, so you say this, I know what I am. Second thing is that I'm not a kind of very strong or intelligent kind of person. I know what exactly I am. And third one is that there is no doubt about to exchange little bit of information about yourself, about by the way, what you do, what I do. Yeah, it is very hard to find the personality like you also, so I can say, because we do my job. I ask the question, people try to answer the question, but definitely they do not ask the question. When I give the time to them, just ask the question, whatever the questions you have, they just stuck there. And they just feel like that what need to ask. Then I say, let's say to them like that, even you don't have the question. So how do you expect like that the conversation will go so long?
Right, right.
Because if you want to make a conversation so long, the discussion should be both sided, not a unidirectional. It should be multi-directional.
Right, right.
So the people, if you give options to the people who decide to ask the question, even they don't have the content to ask.
Right.
So such kind of people are there, but yeah, personally, first then it's my pleasure also to talk or to interact with you because it is the first time I'm talking with somebody else during the after long time, you can say like that 6 to 7 months. That some persons with whom I'm talking, they are asking multiple questions to me. That is the first time. And literally, I'm so happy that you asked the questions to me and I did not answer as much as I could. That's it. But yeah, it's my also pleasure to interact with you. That is what I wanted to say to you.
Yeah, same here, but why you never believe yourself? Because whatever I told you, that is my feedback and compliment as well. You have to accept because how you evaluate yourself. That's why I asked you earlier, how did you evaluate yourself? You cannot evaluate yourself because it has no measurement, right? Right now, you are talking with me, then I can evaluate your mode of speaking, how much you are speaking, and your mode of speaking is outstanding, remarkable, splendid, awesome, good at, and this kind of, yeah, you are a good speaker, fluent speaker. How why can't you believe your means that kind of mode of speaking?
See, I started with this concern from me like that if there is no any escapes to measure your own evaluation that how strong you are. So personally, what I believe is that you know that personally I would feel like that too. I know what where exactly I am. It's not a overconfidence, it's not a confidence, but it's my feelings that if I talk with the people, I feel like that how strong I am.
Okay.
Second thing is that if the people will give the feedback or give the compliment, then after that I can improve the communication. Not like that. There is no any efficiency of such kind of things when the people will give the feedback to me like that. You are speak. If somebody is trying to show my weakness, that is more and more acceptable. But somebody is trying to show my strength zone, I don't think so like that. This is a perfect thing because you know what's my strength is. But it is very hard to know what's my weakness is. So if you try to tell me about my weakness, then I will definitely accept it. But if you try to show my strength, then I don't think so. I know what I am and I know where I'm strong and where I'm sorry to say, but I'm not saying like that.
Okay, I got your
And I'm not saying like that I'm not bringing compliments like that.
Mhm. Okay, I got your point. You know your weak point. It's okay. But you don't know your good point. That's why I tell you. Because you know your weak point, but you don't know your good point. That's why I tell you. Because first of all, I never told you you are a good speaker. After long time, while discussion is going on, that's when I evaluated you. You are a good speaker and I told you about your good deed, right? But I never appreciate you. I gave you feedback. That is a good thing, right? But it was nice conversation with you. I like this kind of discussion, but I never get anyone. Thank you.
By the don't mind, what do you do basically?
I don't do anything. What about think about me? What about think about me? Tell me.
Personally, I think like that, as you told me like that, you are a language instructor or language teachers, you can say, you can